Now let's look at these topology errors and how we can fix it. So the first one, invalid geometry, which means you have created an invalid polygon. So you need to delete and draw this polygon. In this example, like polygon like this, it's an invalid geometry. Okay, so in this case, we just delete it. Okay, so we don't draw like weird shape like that. And second is overlap. So this overlapping is not allowed. We need to fix it, and I'm going to show you an example. So when we draw overlap for this one, right, we mark this as overlap. Sometimes we may accidentally copy and paste of the land feature in another area where is no overlap. So as you can see, if we delete this one, there's another layer still existing. So it's very easy. So we just delete one of the overlapped feature or fix it by dragging the point. And let's do a topology check again. So now this has gone. And for the off points, so for this one, it asks you don't draw offset angles, and I will give you guys the example what is offset angles and how we can fix it. So an out point looks like this. Two land features are pointed, in the opposite direction. So this is not would happen in the real life scenario. So let's take a look. So this one has been misclassified as building, so we should fix this by just changing the category to driveway, and then let's do another topology check. Now this has gone. Now let's look at the kickbacks. So for kickbacks, let's show you guys an example, and then how we identify a kickback, and then how we can remove a kickback. So here's an example of the kickbacks. Let's take a look of what it looks like. So when you in the Landcover project, when you see a kickback, most likely there's very small, as you can see, very small area that's very too narrow, and will create when these two Landcover features connected together, and there's too narrow, then and one of them is too narrow, then they will create a kickbacks. So to fix this is very easy. So we select this one, and also we select the narrow one beside it, and then we can use V to merge them together, and then let's do the topology check again. See, it's gone now. So for the kickback, we can fix by merging the kickback geometry into the bigger one. Next is gap. So gap means an area hasn't been finished in this task, so we need to finish all. Let's look at this example. In this task, there's a geometry arrow marked as gap. So there's a gap in the middle, so which means there's no Landcover category has been assigned to this one. So this one, we could assign the sidewalk to fill in this one. Use a fill tool, and then let's do the topology check again. Now the arrow has gone. Next is a sliver edge. So sliver edge means a polygon is too narrow as a line, so we need to use repair tool or cut tool to remove it. So here's an example for the sliver edge. Sliver edge is like when you draw road, sidewalk, or driveway, on two ends it's bright, and then in the middle suddenly it gets too narrow. It will report this topology error. So we should be careful with this arrow. So this is a big example. So here, so in order to fix this, we should fill this road, and then try again. Now the arrow has gone. Next one is a familiar one, which is area too small. So we need to delete and fill in this area as a neighbor class. This is what we also encounter in the building repair project, so I won't show you an example. And next one is a snap failure. So snap failure is a small gap between two same features. So we need to fill in the gap or move the feature for bigger gap. So in this example, as you can see, this building has a small gap between these two parts, which creating a snap failure arrow. So in this case, we need to fill in this gap to fix this arrow. So I will use the filling tool, and then let's do a topology check again. So the arrow has gone. So let's look at this example of this topology arrow not smoothing the final result. As you can see, we have a spike coming out of this pavement, and also a spike in this grass. So in this case, we want to repair for this spike. So it's pretty easy. We can use the repair tool to fix this one, and then do topology check again. Now it's being fixed. Last two, the first one is boundary arrow. So I already checked, have another video as boundary arrow for connect to neighbor, which means the classes is not consistent at boundary, so needs to be consistent at, which means that you need to be consistent at boundary. So you can check my another video. And the last one, exceed the boundary. Sometimes when we draw the land cover features, and there's some of the parts we draw exceed the boundary, and this will cause this error. So in this case, we need to use the boundary clip from the toolbar to cut the polygon drawn outside the boundary. So when we have a boundary like this, and when we draw the forest, for example, here, we accidentally exceeded the boundary. So in this case, we can use this tool, clip the boundary, and then it will be gone. Very easy. So that's all for the topology arrow check, and I hope everyone can understand and know how to fix it in the project.